FTSE 100 daily forecast August 14, FXEmpire.com. As you can see, we had another quiet session during the Monday trading session, as there just simply isn't much to digest out there as far as new information. And let's face it, this is a minute by minute market these days. Truthfully, it's an unhealthy market, and I'm not speaking of necessarily the FTSE itself. I'm speaking of the general global markets. That is, quite frankly, they don't normally react like this. They most certainly shouldn't react like this, where we literally are going from one headline to the next. But that is the environment we find ourselves in. Currently 5,900 just above is the beginning of serious resistance all the way to 16 or 6,000. The last couple of candles have been either hammers or hammer-ish shapes, and it does suggest that perhaps there's a little pressure building to the upside. But the fact that we are in the the second half of August, also means that a lot of the major European players are there on their vacations, so the liquidity really has to be questioned at this point in time. With this being said, it looks like we're set for a fall, even though the chart looks bullish. It probably doesn't make sense, but truthfully, it does look like we could see a pullback to 5,700, and quite frankly, that would be healthy anyways. So a breaking below the last 3 days or so, maybe 5,800, has us shorting the market for a quick 100 pip move, but we don't think that a blow up or any kind of meltdown is imminent. Obviously, if 57 gives way, though, we could see a significant move lower. Obviously, on a daily close above the 6,000 mark, we're long the markets in general in London. And one thing that should be pointed out is this chart really looks in a lot of ways, reminds us of the pound itself against the dollar. So you could perhaps watch both charts, one of which giving you a heads up on the other, because one will move quicker than the other. They over there in the Forex world have the 1.57 to 1.58 area to consider as massive resistance in the pound as well. If the pound does break out above 158, it's hard to believe that the FTSE won't follow above 6,000.